Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to change your device backup storage location. Your current device backups are usually stored in a default system folder, often on your main hard drive. This location can be found within your user profile directory, which varies slightly between operating systems. Knowing this starting point is essential for our next steps. Changing this path helps free up valuable space on your primary drive, especially if you have several large backups. It's a great way to optimize your storage. Once you have located your existing backups, the next step involves preparing your new storage destination. You should select a drive with plenty of available space, perhaps an external solid-state drive or a secondary internal hard disk. Create a brand new, empty folder within your chosen location, naming it something clear like Device Backups. This new folder will become the primary storage point, receiving all future backup data moving forward. Now we will move your existing backup data and create a crucial link. First, copy the entire backup folder from its default location to your newly created folder. After verifying the copy is complete, you can safely delete the original backup folder. Then, open your command line or terminal and create a symbolic link, which acts like a permanent shortcut. This trick ensures your system always looks for backups in the new spot. The final and most important step is to verify that your new backup location is working correctly. Connect your device and initiate a fresh backup. Once complete, navigate directly to your newly designated folder, for example, on your external hard drive. You should find a brand new backup folder containing recent files with an appropriate size, indicating a successful redirect. This confirms your system is now saving backups exactly where you want them.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.